Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are revising the syllabus of revision test 3.4, revision test 3 part 4. In the last video we went through the writing part, writing a job application. In this video we are going to discuss the lesson of flamingo, which is there in your fourth part of revision test 3. Okay, so before writing the questions, before discussing the questions which have been asked in last various years question paper, first let us go through the recapitulating point of the chapter. Okay, so let us begin. So in this story we have seen the rat trap is a story that underlies a belief that essential goodness in human being can be aroused through sympathy, understanding, love and respect. Once a man went around selling small rat traps, but it took to begging and thievery to keep his body and soul together. One day he was struck with an idea: the whole world a big rat trap, and it offers rich joy, food, clothing and shelter as a bet. People let themselves to tempted to touch the bet, then it closed in on them, bringing the end to everything. One dark evening, the rat trap peddler sought shelter in old crofter's roadside cottage. The old man gave him food, tobacco, and he enjoyed card game. Next morning, the peddler stole away his 30 kroner. The rat trap peddler escaped into a big confusing forest and got lost. While resting on the ground, he recollected his idea of world and rat trap and thought death was near. Hearing the thumping, he reached Ramso Iron Works for a night shelter. The prominent owner came on his nightly round and noticed the ragged wretch near furnace. He took him as an old acquaintance, Niels Olof. He invited him to stay with him, he invited him to stay with them for Christmas cheer, but the stranger declined. His daughters Edla Wilmason felt sorry for his hard time and assured him to walk away as he liked. She requested him to stay for the Christmas Eve only. On his way to Manor House, the peddler thought that he had thrown himself voluntarily into the lion's den. At the house, the peddler was cleaned and well dressed. The iron master realized that stranger was not the captain, so he threatened him, calling the sheriff. The peddler told the ironmaster, "Whole world is a big rat trap, and the good things like cheer, coated pork piece are bet for the poor." That is, cheese coated pork piece are bet for the poor. But Edla pleaded for him. "I don't want him to go." She thought of the stranger who walks and walks the whole year and had no welcome anywhere, but he chased away. She would like to let him enjoy a day of peace with them in a year. Christmas Eve at Ramso passed as usual, and stranger did nothing but slept and slept. She made him understand if he wants to rest in peace, he will be welcomed next Christmas as well. This had a miraculous effect on him. Next morning they went for early church service, leaving behind the guest asleep. They learned at church a rat trap peddler had robbed old Crofter. When they returned the wallet, informed that the stranger had taken nothing at all. When they returned the wallet, not wallet, it's wallet. Okay, so when they returned the wallet, informed that the stranger had taken nothing at all, but had left behind a package as Christmas gift for Miss Edla. The young girl found a small rat trap at Cronor Notes for the crofter and a letter addressed her honored and noble miss. "Since you have been so nice all day, as if I were a real captain, I want to be nice to you as a real captain." The peddler got power to clear himself, and he also signed himself as Captain Von Stern. Okay, so it's all about the story. Now let us discuss the questions which have been asked in last various years question papers. Question number 1, which has been asked in CBSE examination 2011. Why did the peddler take his way? Why did the peddler take his way? Why did the peddler take his way through the forest? Through the forest. Okay, it has been asked in CBSE 2011. Okay. Or it can also be asked in this way: why did the peddler keep to the woods? Why did the peddler keep to the woods to the woods. After leaving the crofter's cottage. After leaving the crofter's cottage, how did he feel? So why did the peddler keep the goods after leaving the crofter's cottage? How did he feel? Okay. So, dear students, this question has been asked in CBSE 2011. I'm not going to write down the answer, just I will discuss the answer orally. Okay, and you have to practice this question in your notebook. So, why did the peddler take his way through the forest? So, the peddler took his way through the forest because he had robbed crofter. He had robbed crofter and he had enough fear to be caught. So, that is why he chose, the peddler took his way through the forest in order not to be caught, as he robbed 30 kroner from crofter's house. Okay, that is why he had chosen that way. Next question. And the answer which is given here in this book, let me also read out for you. The peddler was happy at the smartness of taking 30 kroner from the crofter's pouch. In order not to be chased away, he turned into the forest instead of walking on the road. He was of the view that he would be caught if went on the highway. So he took his way through the forest. Now, next question. How did the peddler react? How did the peddler react? How did the peddler react when he saw that the iron master had recognized when he saw that the iron master, when he saw that the iron master had recognized him, as Niels Olof. an old regimental comrade. An old regimental comrade. Okay. How did the peddler react when he saw that the Iron Master had recognized him as Niels Olof, an old regimental comrade? So, as we have just gone through the summary of the chapter, and we have seen that when the Iron Master recognized the peddler, then he told him that the whole world is a rat trap and he has also caught in that trap. Okay, so it was his own opinion which he had experienced in his life, and he would share with everyone. So in the same way, he also shared it to the Iron Master. So I'm going to read out. This question has been asked in CBSE examination. CBSE examination 2012. Okay, it has been asked in CBSE examination 2012. So in the reflection of the furnace light, the Iron Master eyes caught sight of a man in regimental comrade. Okay, in the reflection, let me once again read out what answer is given here. In the reflection of the furnace light, the Iron Master eyes caught sight of a man. In the reflection, he considered him on an old regimental comrade and called him Niels Olof. The rat trap man did not know him at all, rather it came to him that he might throw him a couple of kroner, so he did not want to undeceive him all at once. When Iron Master reached on a round during night, he saw a man who was there in his mill. But when he saw the face of that man, so by mistake, he had mistaken him as his old regimental comrade Niels Olof, and he invited him to go to his home, but he refused to go. Later, what happened, we know, Edla came and she compelled him to go there. Okay. Now, next question. Did the stranger agree? Question number 3. Did the stranger agree? Did the stranger agree to go to the Iron Master's house? To go to the Iron Master's house. Why or why not? Why CBSE examination 2012. So as we have just discussed the previous question, it is related to that one. So when Padler reached in the mill, Ironmaster had mistaken him as his old regimental comrade Niels Olof and invited him to go to his home. But he refused to go because he had stolen 30 kronor from Crofter and he was in a fear of to be caught. So that is why he refused to go with him. Okay. So let me read out the answer which is given here in this book. The Padler had come there to pass the night, so he could not accompany the Ironmaster to his home for Christmas. Moreover, he had 30 kronors which he had stolen from the cottage of an old crofter. Going to Manor House would be like throwing himself voluntarily into the lion's den. So he declined the invitation. Okay. Now, next question. What made the Padler finally change his ways? What made the Padler finally okay? It has been asked in CBSE 2014. What made the Padler finally to change his ways? So we have seen, dear students, when Edla requested boldly, to go back with him, to go to her house, when Edla boldly requested to the Padler to go to her house, he could not deny, as it was a bold request from Edla's side. So Edla wanted a guest to celebrate Christmas at her house. So the Padler could not deny. He went with him, and the way Edla treated after, he was impressed Edla's hospitality, even though Edla knew that he was not an old regimental comrade. Even though she welcomed and she respected. Okay, so overall, because of Edla's behavior, we can say that in one line, because of Edla's behavior, the Padler changed himself. Okay, so the at last nice behavior, at last good behavior was the reason for changing peddler's thoughts, and he became a good man from a thief. So at last good behavior changed a thief to a good man. So let me read out the answer which is given here. The writer has highlighted the fact that a petty peddler cum thief gets an opportunity to rise himself to be standard of a real captain through the goodness, sympathy, love and considerate behavior of Edla Wilmanson. His philosophical attitude towards life is changed and turns out to be a reformed man. So all was possible only because of Edla's behavior, Edla's love, affection, hospitality. Okay, so let me rub it and write down the next question for you. Why did the peddler sign himself as Captain von Stehel? Why did the peddler sign himself as Captain von Stehel? Why did the peddler sign himself as Captain von Stehel? Okay. So as we have seen in the story, the peddler wrote, since you have been nice to me all the day long as if I were a captain, so I want to be nice to you as a real captain. I do not want to be embarrassed at this Christmas season as a thief. You can give back the money to the old crofter. The rat trap is a present form of a rat who would have been caught in this world's rat trap if he had not been raised to captain. Because in this way he got power to clear himself, so he signed himself as Captain von Stehel. As we answered the last question, we can answer this question too. Because of Edla's good behavior, hospitality, he was, the peddler was treated as a captain, and he was very much impressed by Edla's behavior and hospitality. So he decided to change himself and cleared himself. So these were the reason for the same, for signing himself as Captain von Stehel, because he was given respect as a captain. By mistake they considered him Captain von Stehel, Edla's father's old comrade, and finally as he was treated as a captain, he decided to change himself from a thief to captain. So it's all about, dear students, this video. So in the coming video we will keep discussing the questions of various years in the same way. So thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.